Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready to review one of our letters today. The letter we're working on today is the letter A. A is the first letter in the alphabet, and A is a vowel. We can tell that because it's yellow and it has the little letter light to remind us that it is a vowel. Since it's a vowel, it has two sounds. The short sound is A for chew, or apple, or alligator. And the long sound is A when the vowel says its name. Here's an uppercase A. There is a lowercase a. All right. What is that? Yes, that is still A. Even though we don't see that picture of that character to remind us, we know that everywhere we see that letter, it's going to be an A. Here's our uppercase A. There's our lowercase a. A is a vowel, so it has two sounds. Short sound is A, and the long sound is A. All right, so I have our little letter tub or our cup that has some different things in it. All right, let me get them all out and get them ready. All right, so they had some different things in our cup today. There's an uppercase A and a lowercase a. What is that? Does anybody know what that is? That is called an anchor. Anchor starts with a short A sound. This tiny little thing. That is an ant. Ant starts with a short A sound. And then they also had a little bag in there today. And this bag had some different animals. Animals starts with a short A. Ooh, they had some kind of creepy spider. Looks like a dove. And there's a dog. But they were all grouped together in a little group because they were animals. So animals starts with an A. Ant starts with an A. And anchor starts with an A. All right, I'm going to pull up a letter book that I'm going to read to you, but I'm going to show it to you on your computer. All right, boys and girls, here it comes. All right, we're going to read about a little boy, and his nickname is Little A. Little A had a box. I will find things that begin with my A sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little A put on his hat and went for a walk. He found apples, apples, apples. Did he put the apples into his box? He did. Little A found an alligator. Did he put the alligator into the box with the apples? He did. Little A found ants, ants, ants. Did he put the ants into the box with the apples and the alligator? He did. Little A found arrows, arrows, arrows. Guess where he put the arrows? Where are they going to go, boys and girls? Into the box. Next, little A found an axe. It was a toy axe. Guess where he put the axe? Yep, into the box. Now the box was full. It was so full. The ants, the arrows, and the axe fell out. The apples and the alligator fell out too. Now who will help me fill my box? Said little A. Just then an astronaut came by. I will help you, said the astronaut. We will fill your box. Guess what happened next? The astronaut took little A for a ride. Up, up, and away. All right, boys and girls, at the end of the book, they have some words that begin with the A. Alligator, arrow, ant, astronaut, apple, and axe. Those were in our book. Then on the next page it says other words with the short A sound, I, would be acrobat, anchor, arm, ambulance, antlers, and armadillo. Words with the long A sound that start A would be acorn, ape, apron, angel, and the month April. All right, boys and girls, now I'm going to pull up a letter song for you.
That face that is usually covered by her phone.
A is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. A is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. A is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. A is a vowel, a letter in the alphabet. F, 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 There was a cat, wearing a hat, taking a nap, on my lap, I found a snake, who was brave, playing a game, in the rain, F, 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 A, F, 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 A. Write an uppercase A in the air. 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 Write a lowercase 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 a in the air.
All right, boys and girls, so they put those A's in the middle of the word. So in the middle of some of the words like hat, cap, or cat, you heard the short A sound, ah. And then for some of the long A words like in snake, you hear it in the middle, snake, saying the A. All right, so for your paper today, you're going to write your name anywhere near the top, just anywhere in that empty space. Then you're going to write a row of uppercase A's. We start at the top, we slant down, and cross it in the middle. So first you're going to trace one, and then you finish up the row. Uppercase A. Now a lowercase a is going to look different, and it's going to be a small letter. So you're going to start on the dotted line, curve it around and close it, and bring a stick down the side. So first you make your circle, go around and close it, and then just come straight down with that little stick attached to the side. Short sound A, long sound A. Your directions say color the pictures that begin with the A sound, so you're going to need to search for a short A and long A sound. What about alligator? Yes, you hear a short A at the beginning of alligator. Book. No, I don't hear an A at the beginning of book. Astronaut. Yes, I hear a short A sound. Ambulance. I hear a short A sound. Ball. No. Apple. Yes, I hear a short A sound. Car. No. Frog. No. Ant. Yes, I hear a short A sound. All right, boys and girls, so color your pictures that begin with the short A sound at the beginning. You've also got a big apple at the top that you may color. Oh, and just in time, the lights went out. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions or need any help, call me or send a message. Have a great day.